Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Waltz, and today we're talking about how to troubleshoot your Sony TV remote in case you're having any issues, and hopefully this guide will help you in resolving them. Now, when troubleshooting Sony remotes, it's actually going to be a little different than other brands, and it's not difficult, but there are some steps that you need to know. So here's the first thing that comes straight from Sony as what you should do first. The hard reset for the Sony remote is basically going to require you to take out the batteries from the back and then hold the power button down for 3 seconds. This should give some sort of reset to the board, and then what you're going to want to do is plug those batteries back in and see if it works. I should also mention, make sure the batteries go in the right way with plus and negative. So if it doesn't work right away, maybe try rearranging them just to make sure you didn't miss anything. And if this doesn't fix the issue, then the next step you're going to want to do is, again, remove the batteries, but leave them out of the remote for at least a minute. If you want to be safe, 5 minutes is usually good for, most computer electronics. Once you've tried both of those steps, it's pretty easy to pair them to the TV. All you have to do is point it, use some sort of command to, try and use it, press a couple buttons, try to access apps, and it should pair right away. Now, if you're still having issues with that, you might want to consider updating the TV first, and you can do this without a remote by using USB stick. And you can use Sony's website guide on how to complete this step. Other than that, there's not much more you can do other than buy a replacement remote if all of those don't work. They're not too expensive, and you can get either the Sony brand or Universal, doesn't matter. And you can try those same steps with those remotes as well. That's going to wrap up this one. If you guys want to see other videos on troubleshooting the Samsung remotes or the LG remotes, if you have another TV you might be struggling with, I'll leave those links down in the description. Let me know if this worked for you guys. And as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested, make sure to email me at youtube@waltz so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.